meteorologist Margot Altschuler. It's been a nice start to the long weekend. A look from our Sky 6 Embassy Suites camera. You can see we're seeing very nice and calm conditions, but cloud cover is gradually increasing, and this is leading on into some rain as we end our long weekend. A look at our temperatures right now. We're sitting in the low 60s, upper 50s, sitting at 64 here in Knoxville, 60 in Dandridge, 58 in Morristown, 54 in Sneedville, 57 in La Follette, and 60 in Wartburg. Heading on into tonight, temperatures should drop towards the mid to low 50s, some of us in the upper 50s, but this is what we should be experiencing this time of year. Temperatures tomorrow look quite like they were today. We will see the mid to low 70s, which is about 5 degrees below average for this time of year. But the main story going on into the rest of the weekend will be the chance for rain, and that first chance arrives tomorrow afternoon going into tomorrow evening. A look from our 6 predictor. Again, cloud cover is going to gradually increase, and then we'll start to see some spotty showers by mid-morning in the Southern Valley. More showers arriving just after 1 o'clock in the afternoon, and you'll see a line of showers and storms pushing through as we head towards late Sunday evening. Now, the good news is most of this should clear out by the time we reach our Sunday night, but this is not the end of our rain chances. We have more opportunities as we venture into the new week for Memorial Day. The good news is you might be able to squeeze out at least a dry first half of the day, but by the time we end the day, scattered showers and storms are expected once again, and Tuesday looks to be the soggiest. Now, we do expect to see more opportunities again after Tuesday, but the main day that we will be watching for will be Tuesday specifically, because this gives us the opportunity to see heavy rainfall that could potentially lead to some flash flooding, especially in some localized areas. The good news about all of this rain, we don't expect to see any of it being severe or strong. Just maybe a heavy shower or two and maybe a rumble of thunder, but that's about it. So look at our 6 predictor heading on into our Monday. Again, starting off the day on a dry note, but by the time we reach around 4 o'clock in the evening, we'll start to see rain moving in from the west, and then we will be seeing that rain kind of pushing through, even going into early Tuesday morning by midday on Tuesday, and that rain really not expected to wrap up until midday on Wednesday. Now, Wednesday, that's not the end of our rain. Remember, we do expect to have more chances going on into Thursday, Friday, and potentially even next Saturday. Now, those look to be more spotty in nature rather than those scattered showers that could be heavy at times, but we'll watch everything and keep you all updated. Over the next 5 days, the area that we will be kind of paying attention to very closely will be the Southern Valley, where you see this yellow here. That's where we could see maybe potentially 3 inches of rainfall through the next 5 days. So that's a lot, considering it's been a while since we've seen that much rainfall. The rest of us could see 1 to 1.5 inches, but still, that's a lot considering, again, it's been a while. But we will continue to watch everything and keep you updated. I'll look at our Memorial Day forecast. Again, a damp start, but at least a limited dry start. We do expect to see temperatures increasing towards the low 70s, and then rain builds. Going into tomorrow, scattered showers and storms will arrive going into the afternoon, moving on into our Sunday evening, and then trending later for Monday. Tuesday looks to be the heaviest at times, and we do also expect to see almost a washout. And then we do expect to see scattered showers and storms Wednesday, spotty showers and storms going on into Thursday and Friday, and then eventually we should start to see maybe some breaks in the rain, Dominic, but at least for the next 7 days we will be quite soggy.
Yeah, so for anybody who's going out a boat on the lake on Monday, they might need to bring a rain jacket with them or something to keep themselves dry if they're not jumping in the water.
Yeah.
All right. Coming up on 6